most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Here question is find integration of -1 to 1 x plus 1d. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? This is a find integration of x plus 1, and then upper limit is 1 and lower limit is -1. So we know integration of x is what? X square by 2. And integration of 1 is what? X. And now upper limit is 1 and lower limit is -1. Now the next step, just put the value of upper limit. At the x, put x equal to 1. So this is 1 square by 2, 1 by 2. And again x equal to 1, so this is plus 1. Now minus. Now put the value of x equal to -1. So -1 square is again 1, so this is 1 by 2. And here plus 6, so plus -1 is what? -1, right? Now we can solve this. So this is half plus 1 minus half plus 1. So this half cancel, 1 and 1, 2. So our correct answer is what? 2. 2 is our right answer. Let us see the question. Question is find integration of 2 to 3. That means upper limit is 3, lower limit 2. 1 by x dx. So simple technique is what? First you find integration of 1 by x and then upper limit and lower limit. So you know integration of 1 by x is what? Log x. So this is log x and upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 2. Now the next step is what? Just put the value of x for upper limit minus put the value x for lower limit. So this is log 3 minus log 2. So we can write log, log x minus log y what? Log x upon y. So log 3 minus log 2, we can write what? Log 3 by 2. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Here question is find integration of 4 to 5 e to the power x dx. So for this type of question, what is the technique? First to find integration of ex, and then this is the upper limit and this is lower limit. So you know integration of e to the power x is simply e power x, and upper limit is 5 and lower limit is what? 4. Now just put the value of upper limit at the value of x. So e power 5 minus e to the power what? That is the value of lower limit, that is 4. So e power 5 minus e4 is our right answer. We can take common e power 4. So this is e minus 1. So this is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Here question is find integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. That means lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 4 or function given tan x. So for this type of question, first to find integration of tan x and then value of upper limit minus value of lower limit. So integration of tan x, you know that is log sec x. So integration of tan x is log sec x and upper limit is pi by 4, lower limit is 0. So now put the value of x equal to pi by 4, we will get log sec pi by 4 minus log, put the value of lower limit that is 0, so log sec 0. Now it is log sec pi by 4. So you know sec pi by 4, so cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. It is the reciprocal of cos, so that is root 2. So it is what? Log root 2. And this is what? Log sec. So sec 0 is 1 and log 1 is what? 0. So we will get simply log root 2. And we can write this is log and this is 2. That means this 2 power is what? Half. So we can write half log 2. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Here question is find integration of cosec x dx when lower limit is pi by 6, upper limit is pi by 4. So for this type of question, first to find integration of function that is cosec x. So integration of cosec is what? Log cosec x minus cot x. So this is log and cosec x minus cot x, right? And upper limit is given, that is pi by 4 and it is pi by 6. So now put the value of upper limit minus put the value of lower limit. So when we put x equal to pi by 4, we will get what? Log, this is cosec pi by 4. So you know cosec pi by 4 is what? That is root 2. Similarly here cot x. So cot pi by 4 is what? 1. Similarly minus. Now put the value of x equal to pi by 6. So we will get what? Log. And this is cosec pi by 6. So cosec pi by 6 is what? That is 2. And minus, that is cot pi by 6. That is cot 30 is what? Root 3. So this is 2 minus root 3. Now you know log x minus log y is what? Log x upon y. So we can write here log root 2 minus 1 and divided by 2 minus root 3. This is our correct answer.